Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily trade your money in Etoro. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click here on menu, and when you're in the app you want to click here on trade markets. In trade markets you can just choose which one you actually like, and you can select market movers, technology, and you see Facebook here. Now let's just click Facebook, and you have news here. You can just click here, and you can see the statistics, overview, and just click trade. Now you can also set the rate when the market is open. Now let's just buy a Facebook stock here, and you can have OK units or normal amount, set order, nice, and then you can just easily sell it if you want. Set order, nice. And now when I would go here, I will go to my portfolio. Yeah, I'm not going to see it there. Orders, yep, you can see it here. Buy Facebook, sell Facebook, vendor order, or of course you can also cancel the order because the market are not open right now in Sunday. So this is how you can do it. If you have any questions, yeah, what I wanted to show you also is when you're gonna go to portfolio, and I already bought Bitcoin, I can see here the buy Bitcoin, sell Bitcoin, and it's quite easy also, and the analytics are simple. So this is how you can invest money in Etoro, trade money in Etoro. Thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.